Okay, dear students, today we are going to work on activity D and E. Okay, look at the book. Look at the book. Okay, activity D and activity E. Okay, there is a table in activity D. There is a table in activity D. So read and say. Read the table. Okay, table to পড়ো সবাই, table কি আছে? Now we are going to work on activity E. Ask and answer the question about the table in activity D. Okay? Ask and answer the question in the table in activity D. Okay, আমরা এখানে যে কোশ্চেনগুলো আছে, there are 3 question here. এখানে যে কোশ্চেনগুলো আছে সেই কোশ্চেনগুলোর উত্তর আমরা কোথা থেকে দিব? টেবিল থেকে. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Okay, first question. What does Shoykot do at 6 o'clock? What does Shoykot do at 6 o'clock? 6টার সময় সৈকত কি করে? Who can say? Okay, Ramisa, stand up.
At 6 o'clock,
Shoykot studies. Okay, clap for Ramisa. Clap for Ramisa. Thank you. Sit down. Okay, number 2. Who says at 8 o'clock? Who can say? Who says at 8 o'clock? Okay, Ibrahim Khalil, stand up. Who says at 8 o'clock? 8টার সময় কে সেলাই করে? Shoykot's mother says at 8 o'clock. Okay, thank you. Clap for Ibrahim Khalil. Okay. Now, last one. Okay. When does Shoykot's father read? When does Shoykot's father read? Who can say? Okay, stand up. When does Shoykot's father read? Shoykot's father, Shoykot's baba কখন পড়ে? Who can say?
At 6 o'clock, Shoykot's father reads.
Okay, thank you. Clap for Amisa. Sit down, sit down. Okay. Now in activity F, answer the question, use the present continuous. Okay, activity F, pair work. Okay, Ibrahim Khalil and Ramisa, come here. Ramisa, come here. Take your book. Take your book and come here. Okay, do pair work. Do pair work. Okay, ask this question. Ask this question to Ibrahim. Okay.
What does Shoykot do at 6 o'clock? What does Shoykot at?
Answer. Give her answer.
He studies.
He studies. Okay. Next question.
Who says at 8 o'clock? Who says at 8 o'clock?
Answer.
Shoykot's mother.
Shoykot's mothers. Only answer. Okay. When does শুধু উত্তর বলবে?
When does Shoykot's father read? At 6 o'clock.
Okay. Thank you. Now you ask the question to Ramisa.
What does Shoykot do at 6 o'clock? At 6 o'clock, Shoykot studies.
Shoykot studies. Okay. Next question.
Who says at 8 o'clock? 8 o'clock, Shoykot's mother is studies.
Okay.
When does Shoykot's father read? At 6 o'clock, Shoykot's father reads.
Okay. Thank you. Clap for them. Clap for them. Okay. Go to your seat. Go to your seat. Okay. Thank you, everyone.